Hi everyone, welcome to share classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 6.6 centimeter or diameter 13.2 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the radius 6.6 centimeter. So the starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 and this is 6.6 centimeter, and we know that radius of a circle is equal to half of diameter of the circle. So this is 6.6 centimeter. Now taking here a point. Next, taking the length 6.6 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on the point. Now drawing here a arc by this way, and which represents a circle with radius 6.6 centimeter. Now joining this one, and this is the radius of this circle. Okay, so taking here center O and here A. So OA 6.6 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 6.6 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.